Slingshots or wrist rockets aren't just children's toys. They are handy survival tools. You can use them for many purposes, including survival applications, sharpshooting, and many more. They can be straightforward, accurate, and are easy to use. Well, depending on effectiveness, durability, and overall value, we've made a video about the 5 best slingshots that are best for survival situations. So let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
With great innovation related to short-range projectile weaponry, the Beeman-3040 Laserhawk is an excellent slingshot from Marksman, which is small but powerful enough to assist you in survival situations. The slingshot comes with an extra wide fork and a solid black steel frame, which allows you to fire ammo with speed and accuracy at your target. It features rubber tubing and a sturdy ball holder that is flexible and durable enough to pack a hefty punch while locking onto your target from a decent range. Its tempered steel arm support will keep your aim straight and provide minimal kickback when the pellet goes flying. This grip has inlays for your finger, so you can get a feel for how the slingshot will fire and how the pellets will travel. Compact yet powerful enough to tackle any unexpected situation, the Marksman Beeman-3040 Laserhawk offers perfect and accurate shots, which makes it an excellent slingshot option for you. Delivering accuracy and packing considerable punch even from a distance, the YZXLI Professional Slingshot is an ideal gear that does not compromise its performance. Its frame is made from 304 stainless steel, which is durable enough to withstand any rough and tough condition. It boasts a simple design and rugged construction. This frame is wrapped with an anti-skid rope, which provides a comfortable grip and a secure fit on hands. You can also use it in case any emergency arrives. Its high-tension rubber bands are thick, durable, and capable of turning the ammo into lethal projectiles even at 35 to 40 yards of distance. The YZXLI also comes with anti-off-cooper sets of cross aims, which helps you lock onto your target more accurately and quickly. This fitness catapult is 5 inches tall and 3.3 inches wide, which is the ideal size to fit inside any backpack or even into pant pockets pretty easily. If you are looking for a budget-friendly slingshot with exceptional shooting capabilities, then the YZXLI Professional Slingshot is the right option for you. Designed as a small survival and target practice tool, the ROCHAN-Slingshot is more than a handy option for your next wilderness survival days. It is combined with stainless steel and aluminum alloy, durable enough to withstand any harsh weather conditions without breaking a sweat. This slingshot supports rubber bands in high tension equipped with the double spring design, increasing the instantaneous shooting strength, making it a fatal tool to have. Its handle is made from top quality wood, which provides an extremely comfortable grip so that you can handle it easily during any challenging conditions. This handy gear includes an infrared sight and a laser flashlight to help hit targets more efficiently and precisely. The edge is additionally intended to support and maintain your wrist, which is also a neat feature. In addition to that, its magnetic portable steel bolt holder shortens the shooting time and makes it easy to operate this slingshot. The ROCHAN Professional Outdoor Slingshot is fantastic and can be a valuable addition to your hunting and survival gear collection. With an ergonomic and simple design that can provide a boost of power to your shot, the Daisy B52 Slingshot helps you overcome challenging situations, providing great shooting accuracy. It is constructed with durable steel materials, therefore, this gear can withstand any tough situation like a pro. In addition to that, its extra wide fork extends your field of view. Besides, it features a surgical grade tubing, which is sturdy, and you'll receive exceptional support for super fast accuracy. Other than that, its rugged release pouch allows it to keep ammo in position. This slingshot comes with a molded sure grip handle which can fit into your hand pretty quickly, and you have a firm grip while holding it. It also comes with flexible wrist support that keeps your hand steady while aiming at the target. Plus, it can be folded down for easy storage. Adding an extra boost of power to your shot to reach your target, Daisy B52 is a fantastic slingshot that extends your field of view and provides an exhilarating experience. Offering the serious slingshot enthusiasts to enjoy every shooting game, the Scout-XT from SimpleShot provides many useful features without compromising its performance. It is made with polycarbonate materials and is sturdy enough to tackle any heavy uses without breaking any sweat. Its rubber over-molded handle provides a warm and repeatable purchase on the slingshot, ensuring comfort and consistency while holding it. It comes with industry-leading latex flat bands, which is durable and flexible enough to afford maximum stretch. Besides, if any bands rip apart, you can easily change or reassemble it through its flip clips. On top of that, this slingshot can fit with any elastic bands without any problem, so that you can attach any band or tube in it to get a maximum shooting experience. Last but not least, this backup weapon has a lanyard hole at the bottom of the handle, which makes carrying this handy gear super convenient. The SimpleShot-Scout-XT slingshot is designed to accommodate the broadest range of grip styles, hand sizes, and shooting preferences possible, making it a great option available in the market. So, that was our list for the 5 best slingshots for survival just for you. Thank you for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.